Hi, Todd Christie, Speaker of the House, Michigan Dental Association, and I want to report to you what's upcoming for the House of Delegates here in regards to the time frame and what our schedule looks to be for when we are in Grand Rapids for this year's annual session. I want to start off by reminding you that we do have the parliamentary training session. That'll be on Wednesday. It's timed out to go from 5 until 7. From 5 to 6, it'll be Meet the Candidates and a social hour there. The class will begin at 6 and go to 7 o'clock on parliamentary procedures and guidelines and tips and things to do when you're at the floor of the House of Delegates. And then following that, just to remind you, is the Sparkling Smiles Soiree for the MDA Foundation. That'll go from start at 7 o'clock. But then the fun begins the next day on Thursday, where we will be getting started with the first meeting of the House of Delegates. That will begin at 7 a.m. We think that'll go to about 10:15. Immediately following then comes up the Trustee Candidate Forum, where you have presentations from those individuals who will be running for the position of trustee for the Board of Trustees. Following that, we'll have the introduction of the ADA delegation to candidates as well. And then following that will be lunch. We think lunch will get started between 11:45 and 12:30 for you. Following that, we are going to have something that isn't in the official book that got sent out there, but this is what we will do in conversation with the Board of Trustees, as well as some members of the House of Delegates in attendance at our last meeting. We're going to have a component work group presentation. This goes into one of the resolutions that you'll see when you get your packet in there regarding the work of the component work group. We're going to allot a half hour for that, so that'll go from 12:30 until noon, approximately. The last thing following that, immediately following, will be the reference committee hearing. So that'll go for an hour. That follows up. So all in total, we think we'll get started at 8. We will start at 8 o'clock in the morning. Should be done right around 2 o'clock, maybe a little thereafter. So then, remember, you have the day off Friday, go attend classes, go to the exhibit hall, check out and see what you need to get and how you can get training and everything else to help you practice. But then we're back again on Saturday. On Saturday, the regional caucuses begin. It's a staggered look. You'll have that in your official members or your official guide that will get printed up there. Between 8 and noon is when they'll be meeting. And then following that at 1 p.m. will be the start of the second meeting of the House of Delegates. I don't know when that'll stop, but we're going to go until the close of business. So those are the 3 days you have for Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Again, look at everything when the annual guidebook comes up for the annual session, but we'll have those all on the website as well. Anyway, good luck and have a great time getting ready. And please don't forget, we do have upcoming training sessions here for House of Delegates. I look forward to seeing you there. And if not, I will see you in Grand Rapids.